So we've been building a methodology around what we call outcomes-based planning. And so the organization is trying to deliver more revenue, trying to get more feedback, trying to do whatever the organization is trying to do. We start with a hypothesis that this organization needs to move to Basecamp 1. Well, what does that mean? Well, that means that they're going to form teams, they're going to get backlogs, they're going to produce working tested software, we're going to build compensating controls, we're going to install tools, we're going to install metrics, we're going to do all these different things. So the organization has to look a certain way every couple of weeks over that 3 to 4 to 5 month journey, or we don't know that it's actually making progress. And so a lot of our thinking right now has been, okay, so we kind of design for the methodology we want, we look at the attributes of the organization that are going to support that, and then we say, okay, what changes need to be made in the organization to get those two things to line up? So we'll say, okay, well, this is the base camp it needs to go to, and then here's the transformation steps every 2 or 3 weeks or 4 weeks or whatever throughout the life, right? So we don't have the luxury of getting a company to be to stop doing what it's doing while it transforms. So what you've got to do is you've got to figure out how to make the changes in place while it continues to deliver. And that's non-trivial, right? And it has to be managed, it has to be controlled, because the process change can't interrupt the product delivery, ever, right? So that's why you need more planning and control. And it drives me crazy, this idea that we're just going to train people and then just let them figure it out. Well, they're trying to figure out how to build the product. A lot of times they need help or guidance or structure or something to figure out how to make the change while they're building the product.